Hi, I'm Michael. I'm an analyst with Artemis Connection.
Hi, I'm Danilo and I'm an analyst with Artemis Connection.
I'm Galen and I am an analyst.
And I'm Ben and also an analyst at Artemis Connection.
It's nice to get the real toolkit of consulting skills and be able to apply that to real world situations.
I think one of the most important things that we learned this weekend is a lot of us don't really have a lot of experience in the management toolkit, and coming into this week and understanding what those tools are and getting a better understanding of how to contextualize them and put them in a perspective with our clients and the projects we work on is really useful for the future.
Aneta has a lot of really vibrant energy that really brings a lot to the group and really brings out a lot of the growth mindset in everyone, which I think is really important.
It's been super helpful to get all the vocabulary, the frameworks that I've really seen in the field but not been able to put into words, put into my own thoughts, and it'll be really helpful for the rest of my career.
The app is great. Being able to track and see what everyone else is doing while seeing your own inputs is really, really helpful to see, so you can track to see exactly where you're fitting in amongst your peers.
Yeah, the app's really nice to have because at the end of the day, when she teaches us something, we can kind of go back and reflect and also have a place to record it. It helps us learn and be more systematic rather than just kind of someone pushing information on us and then us not remembering it.
I agree, and it absolutely integrates a lot of partner work, which is really important, and that guided reflection.
It's nice to have for the future, looking back, in case I want to remind myself of something, this really interactive and personal, like almost slide deck for reference.
Helpful.
Perspective.
Holistic.
Process.